Hello there, turkeys. How are y'all today? It's kind of neat seeing y'all hang out on the property. You looking at this crazy old guy because he's talking to you? Huh? Crazy old man talking to the turkeys? I'm amazed you're not running off. That's kind of strange. You guys gonna visit a while, or are you gonna disappear on me? Let's see how many there are. Yeah, we had one with an attitude there. Love seeing these turkeys in the backyard. It's kind of fun. I'm just surprised I'm talking to them and they're sticking around. Up, there they go. Yep, there they go. Yep, flapping their feathers. Said we've seen enough of you. Love living out here in the country. Thanks for watching, and may you have an awesome day.